Hi guys, I just received my Play by Sephora box, and it was just a few days ago, so I'm just doing a video now. I received this box late again, so yeah, these are just the products that I received for Play by Sephora for September 2019. And yeah, this is what the bag looks like that you see here. It's in a different color. And then on the back, it says how to play, open, and then it says to, and then it has an emoji, and then it says repeat hashtag Sephora play. And again, this is what it looks like in the front. And I have taken the items out of the bag. If I didn't say it before, I'm saying it now. Yeah, I'm so used to saying this. This is like the paper that comes in there all the time. And it shows the products. So this is what the card, it comes with a card each month. And it says Play by Sephora 50 Inside Beauty Points. Oh, it says, yeah, it says Play by Sephora 50 Beauty Insider Points. And yeah, you get 50 beauty points, and you can use those to purchase stuff. So yeah, that is it. And yeah, I'm going to show you what the items that I received in there. And these are the items that I received. And it says Must See Beauty in there. This month's lineup is sure to entertain you. Yeah, and these, I got 6 samples. And again, this is what it looks like in the front. And now, I'm going to show you the first item, and I hope I say this right. And it's Giorgio. And it says, don't despair, repair. And this is a deep conditioning mask. And this is for the hair. And this is what it looks like. And then the next item that I received it says Nudestix. And yeah, this is a lipstick, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. This is the color. It's a pretty color, and I have put it on my hand, so I'm going to show you on the back of my hand, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. And this is what it looks like. And the next item that I received is, it says Hello Fab, and this is a First Aid Beauty. And I received something like this before in another beauty bag. So, and it says Pores Be Gone Matte Primer with Fig Extract, oil free. And it says it's safe for sensitive skin. And then the next thing that I received is called Youth. It says Youth to the People. It says made in California. And this is a kale, spinach, green, hyaluronic acid. And this is for the skin. This is a sample size. And then the next item that I received is Makeup Forever. And yeah, this is what this looks like. And I think this is a primer, if I'm not mistaken. Oh no, it says here it's a loose powder in translucent. And that's what this is. And this is by Makeup Forever. And then the last thing that I received here is by Giorgio Armani, and it's a perfume. And it says it's Passion. And they're saying it's a perfume. So yeah, this is a little sample. And I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. And it smells really good. This is what it looks like inside. And again, this is what it looks like on the outside. And yeah, these are all the products that I received in my Play by Sephora. The box that I received is the little bag that I received. And yeah, and I receive this each month. I think I paid $10 for it. And but I'll put it in the description. Yeah, so this is what I received in September's Play by Sephora 2019. And I just want to thank you for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up, or please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video. And I just want to thank you again for watching. Goodbye.